Are you looking for opportunities to increase your income? You've come to the right place. In this video, we'll introduce you to 13 amazing commercial machines that you can purchase on Amazon to start making money. From innovative tools to revolutionary equipment, discover how these machines can boost your business success. And don't worry, because the purchase links for these machines will be available in the video description. Get ready to explore a world of possibilities and transform your financial life. Let's get started. Laser engraver. We start with the Printcraft laser engraver, a tool that provides countless opportunities for entrepreneurship in the creative world. This machine, equipped with a 3.5-inch touchscreen, offers exceptional precision in every engraving. With its 10-watt power, it can engrave on a variety of materials such as wood, metal, leather, and acrylic, allowing you to create personalized and unique products. Imagine the excitement of creating custom gifts, unique souvenirs, or even products to sell. Additionally, its intuitive and user-friendly design allows anyone, from artists to enthusiasts, to quickly master its operation. Can you imagine your own line of handmade products? The Bloonie balloon stuffing machine stands out for its generous size and durability, making it a reliable choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. In addition to its ease of use and inclusion of necessary tools like the electric air pump and latex balloons, this machine offers a wide range of creative possibilities. From decorating special events to creating custom gifts, its versatility allows you to fill balloons with a variety of materials, from confetti to toys and candies. With detailed instructions and a focus on customer satisfaction, Bloonie ensures a hassle-free experience and impressive results. FAMMO Label Maker. Imagine the opportunities you could explore with the FAMMO P12 inkless label maker. This portable tool allows you to easily print custom labels for your products and packaging, highlighting your brand. With the ability to print on 12mm wide tapes and in a variety of colors and fonts, as well as the option for Bluetooth connectivity through the Printmaster app, this label maker offers versatility and ease of use. Its compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for on-the-go entrepreneurs, turning it into an essential tool. With the P12 inkless label maker, your ideas can quickly take shape, helping you stand out in the market with unique and professional labels. Sugar coating machine. With this affordable $500 machine, you can effortlessly coat nuts and candies with a rich layer of chocolate or caramel. It's a versatile tool for coating foods with a smooth and uniform layer of chocolate. Made with sturdy stainless steel, it ensures durability and resistance to corrosion. Its geared motor offers energy efficiency and low vibration. Additionally, it features heat dissipation holes for optimal performance and a protective frame for added safety. This machine is ideal for various purposes, such as coating pills, drying and polishing candies, manufacturing coated tablets, and more. To start a business with this machine, you could consider opening a craft chocolate shop or a bakery specializing in chocolate-coated products like truffles or cookies. You could also offer chocolate coating services to other food and beverage companies. Dehydrator. Dehydrators are valuable tools for entrepreneurs in the healthy food sector. They allow for the drying of a variety of foods such as fruits, mushrooms, herbs, and meats, creating natural and delicious snacks without preservatives. The Magic Mill Dehydrator offers even and efficient drying with precise temperature and time control. It's ideal for entrepreneurs looking to offer healthy and tasty options to health-conscious customers. Filling machine. The powder filling machine is used to package dry powder products such as glitter, flour, chemical powder, and similar items. It allows for the precise filling of different types of containers, from small portions to larger quantities, facilitating the efficient and accurate packaging of dry products. An entrepreneurial idea could be to offer bulk packaging services to small businesses that manufacture powdered products, such as spices or nutritional supplements. Another option could be to launch a line of gourmet powder products, such as baking mixes or special seasonings, targeting quality and convenience-conscious consumers. Highly valued for their efficiency, powder filling machines contribute to increased production speed while maintaining a high level of reliability. Essentially, they play a crucial role in modern manufacturing processes by automating and optimizing the packaging of powdered materials. Ice machine. Ice-making machines provide a great opportunity to create a source of passive income, starting from as low as $300. The commercial ice machine is a smart and efficient tool for ice making in large and rapid quantities. With features like self-cleaning, time reserve, and adjustable ice cube thickness, it offers versatility and convenience. This machine saves energy and money thanks to its efficient compressor and air cooling. To start a business with this machine, you could consider opening a cold beverage store or an ice delivery business to local restaurants and bars. You could also offer ice machine rental services for special events or parties. Tufting Gun Kit Starter. The Carpet Tufting Kit is an essential tool for carpet manufacturing. It offers a versatile tufting gun that allows for creating cut pile and loop pile styles, providing maximum creative flexibility in carpet design. This 2-in-1 gun is ideal for craft studios and social media content creators looking to add a unique touch to their projects. Additionally, the kit includes a carpet trimmer for quick-release cutting guide, perfect for precision carpet manufacturing. Easy to use, both for beginners and experienced craftsmen, this kit is the perfect starting point for art education institutions and those interested in carpet manufacturing. Gumball Vending. Starting a business with Gumball vending machines offers an intriguing opportunity due to its low initial investment and ability to attract a diverse audience. By placing these machines in strategic locations such as malls or schools, you can maximize their income-generating potential. It's crucial to maintain a regular rotation of products, including a variety of candies and treats, and to stay on top of expiration dates to ensure product freshness. With careful management, these machines can become a reliable source of passive income. Cake Topper Printer. The Cake Topper Printer is a revolutionary machine that allows users to print edible images directly onto cake toppers. With features like a wireless printer, specialized ink cartridges for cakes, and edible color markers, this kit offers everything needed to create custom decorations for cakes, cupcakes, and other desserts. An entrepreneurial idea would be to offer personalized cake decorating services for events such as weddings, birthdays, and special celebrations. This can attract customers looking for unique and personalized cakes that reflect their tastes and interests. Oil press. The PYY oil press machine is an efficient tool for oil extraction with a yield of over 95%, producing up to 6.6 to 8.2 pounds of pure edible oil per hour. Its adjustable temperature control and ability for both cold and hot pressing make it versatile for a variety of ingredients such as sesame, sunflower seeds, almonds, and more. Its durable stainless steel design and powerful motor make it suitable for both household and commercial use. With included accessories and a 1-year warranty, this machine offers a reliable solution for oil extraction. An entrepreneurial idea could be to start a business producing and selling gourmet oils, leveraging the machine's ability to extract high-quality oils from a variety of ingredients. Another option would be to offer oil extraction services for small farmers or producers of natural ingredients. Automatic Tube Filling Machine. Automatic Tube Filling Machine is an efficient and precise solution for filling liquids into tubes in an automated manner. With its digital control and automated system, it ensures high precision and efficiency in the filling process. This makes it an excellent choice for companies needing to fill liquids on a production scale. An entrepreneurial idea would be to offer tube filling services for cosmetic, pharmaceutical, or personal care product companies. This machine can also be useful for small businesses needing to fill paste-like products such as creams or honey, as it allows for precise control of the filling process and adapts to different product consistencies. With its ability to withstand high temperatures and its intelligent control system, this machine offers versatility and efficiency in a variety of industries, from cosmetics to food. Manual Labeling Machine. The manual labeling machine is a versatile tool designed to apply labels precisely to products or packaging, with human-controlled operation. Its compact design and desktop structure make it ideal for smaller scale operations where full automation may not be necessary. This machine offers simplicity and flexibility, allowing operators to adjust it for different sizes and shapes of labels. An entrepreneurial idea would be to offer customized labeling services for small businesses in industries such as artisan manufacturing or food and beverage production. It could also be used by entrepreneurs looking to label their own products accurately and professionally for sale. With its ability to label round bottles made of various materials, this machine is useful in a variety of industries, from cosmetics to food and beverage, improving production efficiency and offering a professional look to labeled products. With these 13 machines, you now have the necessary tools to start a successful business. But remember, having the machines is just the first step. To learn how to make winning offers and master the art of selling, don't miss this video I'm leaving here for you. It's your next step toward entrepreneurial success.